Hey guys, DG Whip here. This is a really quick video. I just wanted to make this just to inform some of you guys that have problems with the cam sensors on your G35s and 350Zs, and this really goes for any cam sensor on any car, to be honest. So a lot of people, they'll choose to get the cheap ones that are like 30 bucks on eBay or 50 bucks on Amazon, and I'm here to tell you that's a really bad move. For personal experience, the ones from AutoZone and the ones from eBay and Amazon, they all are crap, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, no, this is the one from AutoZone. I don't know if you can tell, this is like swollen. It's not really supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this. This is a brand new OEM one. Now, these are basically magnets, and that's kind of how they sense the camshafts or whatever, and they do their job. So, just to show you how weak they are, this is one from AutoZone. I paid 60 bucks for this. It doesn't even move. I can show you, it doesn't even move the tool. Not very strong. This is an OEM one. Picks up the whole wrench. Now the reason why I'm doing this right now is because on my G35 right here, I replaced mine with some cheap ones, not really knowing that the cheap ones were garbage and they tend to fail or just not work at all. They worked for a little bit on mine, but however, once it hit summer, my car just randomly started dying, like at red lights, and it would turn right back on, but it would just start dying. And I'm like, okay, well, what the heck? I replaced ignition coils, spark plugs, my fuel pump. I take care of the car, so I don't know, there's no vacuum leaks, no check engine light or anything. Yeah, no check engine light would even come on after it died. So I'm like, well, what the heck is going on? I hit up my mechanic whenever I can't figure something out, and he actually told me that, well, he first was like, well, where'd you get your cam sensors? And I was like, AutoZone. He's like, well, there's their problem. Those sensors suck. They go bad all the time, and I recommend just going OEM, going to the factory and just biting the bullet and spending the $200 or $300 for the original cam sensors, because all the other cam sensors just cannot, they're not up to par, they're no good. And if they work, they may work a few months, that's it. So this is the revised version. These are metal instead of plastic. This is OEM, however, I did not order them from Nissan. However, Nissan has Hitachi actually make the sensors for them. So you can actually order these directly from Hitachi with the part number. I got the part number right here. This is the Bank 2 one on the driver's side. And I don't have that box right now for the other one, but I'm gonna put it right here in the video. This is still OEM. Same exact one you would get from Nissan or Infiniti, same exact part. And I paid $100 for these, and these are still the exact same parts. So that's a good way to save some money. Otherwise, I went to Nissan just to show you how much they wanted for 2 cam sensors. They originally wanted like $180 and $194 a piece, and the dude was actually cool. He was gonna give me a discount, but still, it was gonna be $309 for 2 sensors. Now, I thought that was a little too much for what they were, even though I was getting high quality. So I did my research, and again, the Hitachi ones, and Hitachi makes the exact same part for Nissan anyway, so I ended up saving money that way. But yeah, that's a little trick you guys can do. Look at that. Right next to Nissan, it says Hitachi on the throttle body. So Hitachi makes this throttle body. So if this ever went bad, I can just order this directly from Hitachi, as long as I get the part number, and it'll be the exact same part, but it'll be cheaper. Instead of ordering it from Nissan, because Nissan will probably charge $400 for a throttle body, but then you can pay, what, $180 or something? That's it for the video, guys. I just want to tell you, do not get cheap cam sensors, only go OEM, no exception. You have to cough up the money. The $20 and $30 ones don't work. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.